Ever noticed how some designs instantly feel expensive just because of how they're framed? Today, how to create premium frame compositions. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Start by inserting a main rectangular frame and position it slightly off-center to break the usual symmetry. Upload your image and place it inside, adjusting the crop carefully for visual focus. Now add a second frame in a smaller size and place it diagonally opposite for balance. Duplicate the main frame, enlarge it slightly, and place it behind with reduced opacity to create a soft layered depth effect. Select the background and apply a muted gradient or dark elegant tone.